Hello, everybody, and welcome. I'm playing an indie game that just got on PlayStation Plus, and it is called something about zoos. Okay, let's get to it. Lot of logos. That's fine. Welcome to Super Exploding Zoo. Penguins have a bomb power 1, and 6 penguins will kill an alien. You one animal left in your herd. Okay, so. Ow. That was loud. You blew it. Okay. Okay, protect. Collect. Oh, okay, I can see how they're supposed to collect them because they're asleep. Gotcha. Okay, okay. So I click, and suicide. Don't know why that's a good thing, but part of the virgins, maybe? I don't know. Okay. 6. Oh shit. Blow up. Okay, what? Yeah, I'm supposed to collect that. I know that. Arm button, hold square to arm your herd, smash through orange doors, or use animals' abilities. Okay. But I'm supposed to have one still active. Gotcha. Okay, so it's best to have all of them with you. Then you go. Okay. Getting the hang of this. Big explosions everywhere, you know? Okay. Blowing up doors and some animals' abilities use up your animals. Be careful. Yeah, I know that. Okay. Got 4 so far. Okay. I see TNT this time. TNT will help me out. Because TNT. I got 7. Okay, hatchery. Hatchery. Okay, so gotta protect that. Ah, oh, okay. I got derpy paint. Derp, derp. Nah. Okay. Ah, fuck. And we're back. Sorry about the delay. I actually did not start recording. I know. I'm a hard person. Next level. Okay. Derp derp. Okay. It feels sad. Oh shit, there's 2 of them. Having to kill derpy penguins. So sad. So blowing up everything, so they're on a mission. That's what they are. I'll kill one of them. Okay. Even though everything's getting blown up. Okay then. Tally ho to the next side. Shia. Hold arm button square to make cross jump into water at beaches to form bridge. Oh. Oh, right here. Oh wait, I had to get that guy first. Just because. How did I blow it? How? It blows up by itself. Come on now. Jump into one of the bridges. Okay. Okay, so these count as 2. Okay. Attack! Okay. Alright, animals have different bomb power. Crocs are worth 2 compared to the penguins' 1 bomb power. Obviously. What's this? Hot diggity, you found a hot dog sticker. View the stickers book at the souvenir stand. Oh, okay. Okay, so this their grunting's funny. Got the gang all here. What they know about that? Okay. 14 to 12. Who you got your bet money on? Okay, shit. There's 3 of them, and they're over there. Okay. Collect all the penguins, rocks, and I see. Okay. From behind. Oh no, that would just be a waste. Ah, crap, gotta go faster, penguins. Come on. Stop derping around. No. You derp too much. Damn it. Stop derping around. Come on. Alright, come on. Gotta be quick on this. What's this? Oh. That was just a decoy. I gotta kill the first one over here first. Get next to the egg. Don't even know what the egg is. Check the egg. Be careful with these people. Alright. Alright, gang. Let's kill these mofos. 1, 2, 5 of them. Okay. Watch out, enemies will stop on sleeping animals and kill them. Damn it. Alright, 38 to 20. Exploding animals. I am not a psychopath. Oh crap. this guy. For all my crew. The whole crew. I wonder what happened to destroy everything. I think everything's destroyed, right? Let me check. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, we're not gonna do this. There's only a limit. That was explosive. Okay. Plungers and vines. Monkeys can climb over and use the plungers to blow up doors. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. That's what the monkeys sound like. Alright, got two of them. Okay, where am I? I'm derping. Alright, so looks like I need one. Come on, come on. I need the plunger. Come on, plunge. I wonder if I need to collect all of them. So 6 of them. Like, this is dangerous. Alright, to strategize. Could have saved. No, I still need to get over there. Okay, so monkeys over here. So, I'll go there. Okay. Oh, there goes the monkeys. Crops. 15 of 30, still not enough. Only got one of the. Got one penguin left. I need him. Ah, messed up. Damn it. Thank you, I know I blew it. Get him later. Explosiveness. Okay, no, he's alive. Alright. Alright, that was cannon fodder. Good, good. No, still bad. Good. Okay, shit. Okay. Now. Charge! Yes. Got him. Okay. Well, so far, that was this episode of Explosive Penguins. I'll see you next time. I'll see you in the next video.